Which hormone increases water reabsorption in the collecting ducts? Antidiuretic hormone. The process of emptying the bladder is called micturition. Which of the following is not normally found in the urine? Glucose. The primary nitrogenous waste excreted in the urine is urea. The main driving force for glomerular filtration is blood hydrostatic pressure. Aldosterone primarily increases reabsorption of sodium. The average adult bladder holds about 500 ml of urine. Which enzyme released by the kidney helps regulate blood pressure? Renin. The lobe of Henle is mainly responsible for water and salt concentration. The external urethral sphincter is composed of transitional epithelium. The juxtaglomerular apparatus regulates blood pressure and filtration. Transitional epithelium in the urinary bladder allows stretching. Which substance is completely reabsorbed under normal conditions? Glucose. Which condition results when the kidney fail to function properly? Uremia. The main hormone that stimulates RBC production secreted by the kidneys? Erythropoietin. Escherichia coli. Respiratory alkalosis is usually caused by hyperventilation. Which part of the nephron is most responsible for secretion of hydrogen ions? Distal tubule. Blood plasma. A decrease in blood bicarbonate levels indicates metabolic acidosis. The normal arterial blood pH is maintained between 7.35 to 7.45. In metabolic acidosis, respiratory compensation involves hyperventilation. In respiratory alkalosis, bicarbonate levels in blood usually decreases. The strongest buffer system inside cell is the protein buffer. The bladder can expand as urine accumulates because of its transitional epithelium. The non-invasive procedure that uses ultrasound wave to shatter kidney stones is lithotripsy. Uric acid is a nitrogenous waste product derived from peritubular capillaries arise from the efferent arterioles. Approximately what percentage of filtrate is reabsorbed into the blood? %. Each kidney contains about how many nephrons? 1,000,000. The most abundant electrolyte in extracellular fluid is sodium. The tip of renal pyramid which points toward the center of the kidney is the renal papillae. The functional unit of the kidney where urine formation begins is the